Creating a YouTube scavenger hunt, folks, is easy to do, fun to do, quite honestly, beneficial to your YouTube channel for continued growth, and probably you're going to be forming a community before you know it. Now, how is it done? Here's the great news. You don't need any materials. All you need to do is create a series of short private videos on YouTube, as well as a QR code generator. That's it. The videos should be marked private. They should be no more than 2 to 3 minutes long. And they should be in a sequential form. So let's go with video number 1. Video number 1 should be clearly your instructions, your directions, letting people know as to what is taking place and how this game is played. The tail end of that video should be you telling your teams where you have tucked away a QR code that will reveal their first challenge. This is going to be in the form a little bit like an amazing race. Now, once you've uploaded that video, simply go to a free QR code generator, place the link to that shared video, and it will produce you with a customized QR code. So the day of the game, when the teams arrive, you're going to present them with that QR code. They're going to zap it. They're going to see your instructions. They're going to see their clue to the first location. The locations of where you hide these QR codes should not be in a very tight proximity. Do about a mile proximity, all on foot, nothing requiring any form of public transportation. And these QR codes should just be taped somewhere where it is non-dangerous. That's a key thing. So nothing high, nothing low, like a side of a bench, something very simple. When they get to that first location, there you are, congratulating them that they found their first location and proposing, would they like to do a challenge or wait to the end of the video to reveal the next QR code location. Now, each challenge should be different at each location when you propose that. So it could be a photo challenge worth points, a video challenge worth points. Maybe you've hidden something else on the outside of the path of these QR codes that has attached points to it. It's an option. There are stakes involved. But let's cut to the end. Let's just say now you have 3 teams. First place gets 300 points. Second, 200. Third, 100. And let's say the first place team doesn't do any of the challenges. They just want to win the race. But the third place team that arrives might have done the challenges. So quite frankly, they might have came in third place, got their 100 points, but have done the other challenges that could declare them the winners. It is very, very easy. There are stakes involved, and it's unpredictable. So it's very easy to do. Again, just create those videos, mark them private, 2 to 3 minutes long. Make sure you have the sequence correctly. Create the QR codes. What I would do with the QR codes is color code them. So each color represents each location of your video. So that makes it a lot easier when you plant these QR codes. And with that being said, if you do it, it's going to be something that you can do again and again. And by that, like I said, create a growth in regards to your YouTube viewership, your subscriber base, I'm sure, and as well as a community. And you can always do that and advertise it free on your social media as well. So that's how you do it. It's very easy to do. Have a lot of fun doing it. And if you like, please subscribe, like, and comment. And for more scavenger hunt tips and tricks, just hit one of the boxes that are going to pop up. Other than that, guys, as I always say, let's play.